Hey everyone! Today, let's discuss how to manage the new clickable hyperlink feature for users in AuctionWorx 3.6. Let's see this new custom field type that is clickable links. Navigate to Admin Control Panel User to Custom Fields. Click on Create User Field. Then from the Type drop-down select Clickable Links. And provide a concise and meaningful label for the field, as I am doing here. And then you can set a requirement field. Default values are optional. Next, choose where you want to appear: user register or account detail page. Once configured, click on Create Field. Go to the registration page and scroll to Additional Information section. You can enter the link text and URL as needed. All custom fields including the new clickable link will appear here. Now go to My Account. Search for Account Detail. From here you can update value of the clickable link field at any time. On the admin side you'll find it on Create User page, and also in the user detail information. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more informative videos.